Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 7th, 2024. And we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon, so there's a lot of puzzles for a day. Alright, the first one, the 3 Stars Sudoku number 9550. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 30 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25 printed digits. This one has 5 digits more. I don't think it's a 3 stars. I think it's a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle. I need to be faster than 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this third row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1. Then, let me see which number. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. Cannot continue with 3 now, need to wait. How about 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. How about the 7 in the last row, 7 in the row, oh wait, 7, 7, 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 7. Then 2 numbers left now in this big square for the most 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5. We have a pair, I believe. We have a pair. Yep. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. We have 3 and the 5 in this column, so no 3 and the 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 and the 5 in the first row, so no 3 and the 5 in this box. So 2 boxes are left for the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Alright. Then Let me see. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Two numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in the middle row. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8, 8, 4. We have a pair again. We have a 4 and a 3 in this column. We have a 4 and a 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 4 and the 3 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and 3, 4 and 3, 4 and 3. And look, we have 4 and a 3 in this row. No 4 and a 3 in this box. 4 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Now, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this column. First column for number 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. 5 is missing here. Right. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Alright. Then, let me see. 6, 6. Need a 2, need a 8 here. Alright. Come on. 9. How about the 9 and the 8 here? 9 and 8. Thinking. Come on. 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 could be here, Here or there, well, we see another 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in the first row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Here also 8 and 9 in this column. Then let me see here. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 already in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Then 8, 3, 5. Think. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 4, 8, 9. And 6. I need a 6 here. Here are 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Well. Come on. 3, 5, and a 4. 4 and a 5. How about here? 3, 4, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 8, 8. 8, 8. Okay, in this row we need an 8. Here came an 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here came an 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 or 9, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 9. 8 or 9, we have a 9 in the last row, so this box should be an 8. And that box should be a 9. 8 or 9, we have a 9 already in this big square, so this box should be an 8. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then, let me see. 8 in this last row, 8 in the row above. So on that row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Here, 2 numbers. Wait. 4, 6. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left here, the 4 and the 6. Alright. Here also 4 and a 6. Alright. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left, the 5 should be here. So the 4 and a 6 are left here. 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. Here, 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 and 4. We have a 3 now. So this box should be a 4. 4 or 6, we have a 4 now in the second row, so this box should be a 6. 4 or 6, we have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Here also 4 and a 6, we have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. And the final number in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. In 12 minutes. Well, we solved it again. Told you it should be a 0 stars puzzle. Cannot be a 3 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.